Are you tired of applying for jobs in Austria and never getting a reply? What if you could learn a real job in less than 1 year, get paid while you learn, and finish with real job opportunities waiting for you? My name is Oge and I live here in Austria. In this video, I will show you 5 short Ausbildung options that can take you from I don't know what to do next to a real job opportunities in Austria faster. So, if this is something you're interested in, keep watching. Now, what is Ausbildung? Ausbildung in Austria is a practical training path, not just classroom learning. You work in a company, go to vocational school part-time, and learn the job step by step in real life. That is what makes it so interesting. You get real experience while you learn, and in many cases, you also get paid during the training. In some fields, there are even job opportunities waiting for you after you finished. For many people, this is a big advantage because it means you do not have to wait for years before you can start real work and earn a stable income. What a lot of people do not know is that not all Ausbildung programs take a long time. Some are much shorter and can last between 3 months and 2 years, depending on the profession. So, if your goal is to start working faster and build a future in Austria, Ausbildung can be a very smart way to begin. Let's start with number 5, retail and sales. Maybe you enjoy talking to people, staying active, and working in places like supermarkets or clothing stores. If that sounds like you, then this option might fit you really well. Retail is actually one of the biggest job sectors in Austria. All across the country, shops are always hiring. From supermarkets like Billa, Spar or Lidl, to fashion stores, electronic shops, and small local businesses. In this field, you can train to become a sales assistant, cashier, shop assistant, or store staff. Your daily work is very practical. For example, you might help customers find products, arrange items in the shop, work at the cashier desk, or work with stock and inventory at the back. The training duration is very flexible. Many retail or sales Ausbildung programs take between 6 months and 2 years, depending whether you are doing it full-time or part-time. This can be a good option if you want to start working faster, or if you need to balance training with family or other responsibilities. After finishing your training, the salary is usually around 1,800 to 2,500 gross per month. It could be more depending on the company, your experience, and your role. And one big advantage of retail is this: these jobs are almost everywhere in every town and city in Austria. So no matter where you live, there is usually a good chance of finding opportunity in this field. That is why retail and sales are often seen as one of the most accessible entry paths in Austria job markets. Let's move to number 4, kindergarten assistant. Maybe you love being around children and enjoy helping them learn, grow, and express themselves. If that sounds like you, then this option can be a good fit. As a kindergarten assistant, you support the young children during their early learning years, usually between the ages of 3 and 6. You will work together with the trained teachers to create a safe, caring, and supportive environment for the children. Your daily tasks are also very practical. For example, you might help the children during playtime, assist with meals, support creative activities like drawing, painting, or crafts, or supervise them during group activities or outdoor play in the garden or playground. The training for this Ausbildung is very short compared to many other professions. In many cases, it takes between 6 and 12 months, depending on the training center and your personal schedule. This makes it a good option if you want to move into social and educational work without spending so many years in school. After completing your training, the salary is around 2,200 to 2,500 euro gross per month, depending on the employer, the region, and your working hours. And here is something important, because many parents in Austria work full time. The demand for child care support staff is increasing. That means there are more job opportunities. Next is number 3, home helper, or called Heimhilfe in German. This role focuses on supporting older people and families in their daily life, especially those people who need extra help at home. As a home helper, your work is very practical. That is what people do every day in life. For example, you might help with preparing very simple meals, doing light house chores, shopping, or supporting people with moving around, mobility, and everyday chores. It is not just about doing chores. Most often, you help people feel safe, respected, and comfortable in their daily life. The training for Heimhilfe is very structured, but it is also very short. In many programs, it includes 400 hours in total, 200 hours of classroom learning, and 200 hours of practical learning as well. This training can be completed within 6 to 12 months. After completing the program, the salary starts from 2,100 euro gross per month or more, depending on the employer, region, and your working hours. And here is an important reason why this profession is selling in Austria. Austrian population is getting older. That means elderly people need more support in their daily life. Because of that, there is a strong and increasing demand for home helpers across the country. Let's talk about number 2, Pflege assistants. This is one of the most important and in-demand job in Austria right now because Austria's population is getting older. The need for care workers continue to grow every year. As a Pflege assistant, you work closely with nurses and healthcare teams to support patients in hospitals, nursing homes, or other care facilities. Your work is also very practical. For example, you may help with personal hygiene, meals, moving around, that is mobility, and basic daily needs of patients and more. The training takes about 1 year full time or longer if you study part time. It includes both classroom learning and practical training. So you learn by doing it. After completing the training, the salary is around 2,200 to 2,800 gross per month, depending on the employer, the region, experience, and any extra allowances. And that is why Pflege assistant is strong option in demand because it offers financial stability. The last is number one, which is specialized elderly care Ausbildung, also known as Sozialbetreuung Alten Arbeit in German. This is a job where you work with older people who need support in their daily life. Many people hear this name, but they do not know what it really means. In simple words, you help older people with everyday care and you also support them emotionally. You do not just do chores, you help people feel safe, respected, and not alone. For example, you might help them get dressed, wash, eat, move around within the environment very safely, join simple activities, or simple spend time with them, listening and playing with them. Fach Sozialbetreuung Alten Arbeit is a 2-year full-time Ausbildung in Austria. You learn in the classroom. You also work in real care homes or institutions during your training. So you do not only learn theory, you also practice the job in real life. After you finish the Ausbildung, you can work in elderly homes, nursing homes, or other care and social facilities that support older people. The full-time salary for this Ausbildung is around 2,700 to 3,100 euro gross per month. With experience and extra allowances, it can be more. The exact amount depends on the employer, the region, and your working hours. Why this job is so important is there are more and more older people in Austria who need support. That means there is a strong and growing demand for people in this profession. So, if you are caring and patient, Fach Sozialbetreuung Alternarbeit can give you a job that is very stable. One of the ways to find Ausbildung opportunities in Austria is to use Google. Search words like Ausbildung Jobs Austria, Pflege Assistant Training in Austria, Job in Demands in Austria. You can also search for care homes or hospitals near you. Visit their websites and check if they offer Ausbildung in a field that you like. These are 5 short Ausbildung programs that can help you start a career in Austria fast. There are more, but I chose to discuss this. Now, tell me in the comments which option you are thinking about or what kind of job you would like to do in Austria. If this video was helpful, please like it. Subscribe to the channel, it is free. Turn on your notification button so you will not miss future videos. Thank you for watching. I wish you all the best on your journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.